What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy here. Hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 1989 Ford F-150, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own CD player. Now, these are the type of things that you're into. Please consider subscribing, because these are the things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. And from time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel's for you. Now, this one should be fairly easy. We just want to make sure that we're real careful because it is a 1989, but I think it is only held in by clips. So we just want to pop that down. Those are the clips. I want to pop that down, go over there, and here I want to say you can either use Torx, that might be a T15 or T20, or you can use a 7mm socket. Now that we have that, we just want to go ahead and pull that out like that. Go ahead and take these harnesses out. Alright, so now we got that radio out. Let's get over here to the test bench so we can get the dash kit prepped up and get everything wired up. Alright, y'all, so we are here at the test bench and we have the dash kit here. Don't worry about it, we'll have all the links in the description for you. But the dash kit actually comes with two trims. We're not going to use this one because, as you can see, the mounting holes are actually on the sides. This one does not have the side mounting holes. This one does. So what we want to do is basically mimic this, which means we're going to have to take some tabs off. Now, since we know that we're mounting on the sides, we can go ahead and just cut these off on the top and on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, just with my cutters. Alright, so now we have all those torn off. Nothing real complicated with that. One thing that you can do is go ahead and put this back in the den that you brought the factory radio out of, just to make sure that you don't cut the wrong ones. I'm pretty sure it's going to be these longer ones, so we're going to have to cut the short, but let's double check. Yep, and it does look like the ones on the bottom are going to be the ones on the outside are going to be the ones that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and cut those, cut these smaller ones off. Also, you see these little pieces, they are right here. I had to take those off too, that way so we can actually make sure that it is flush going to the back. What I've done is I've just simply put the cage in, and we're going to start bending these tabs back like that. You just take my little pick tool, come up here, bend it up, and then I like to go all the way backwards. Alright, so that slides in like that. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing wired up, get back inside the car. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back inside the car and we do have the radio already wired up. And if it was your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring part? Well, here at this channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I didn't want to take too much time and going over the wire colors every single time. Wire colors pretty much stay the same. So to save time, I actually made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player, where I go over different wires, actually every single wire on your CD player harness. I tell you what it is, where does it go to, what it does. We go over different types of connections and all of that. And some people may say every car is different, which is true, but as long as you have your aftermarket wire harness that goes to your vehicle, then you will know how to wire up a CD player, because the aftermarket wire colors have to be the same. It's CEA compliant. Now let's just say that you bought this truck used, or let's just say that you already cut your wire harness. Now I do have videos showing you how to hardwire a CD player, and so all those stuff is in the how-to playlist. Those cards should be popping up over there in the corner, and I just want to give you guys all the resources and tools that you need to where you can do all your car audio stuff yourself, and I can still keep the videos short, straight to the point, unless they need to be detailed. Now without further ado, let's get this thing put back in the dash so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done.
And all the things they do with those
Alright guys, well that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you found any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Don't forget the product links are down there in the description, and the Patreon link if you want to be a furthermore supporter is also in the description as well. Don't forget to check out those secondary resources and the how-to playlist popping up in the cars in the corner. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day.